Thinking of switching your current account? Current Account from your credit union offers you everything you would expect from a day-to-day bank account with the award-winning customer service you can only receive at your credit union. Simply open a current account and complete the switcher forms, and we'll look after everything after that. With Current Account from your credit union, you can now manage your daily finances no matter where you are in the world, with access to your funds in branch, online or on our app. Current Account from your credit union offers the same friendly service, is easy to sign up, has a globally accepted debit MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay and Fitbit Pay, and comes with low and transparent fees. Switching is easy with Current Account from your credit union. There are just a few simple steps to follow. Open your current account. To open your current account, drop in to your branch or call us. If you are already a credit union member and are registered for online banking, you can open your current account online. Provide us with suitable documentation to verify your identity, your current permanent address, such as a passport or driving licence, and an up-to-date utility bill or recent bank statement. Sign the relevant application forms, and we'll do the rest. We'll open your new current account, set you up on our banking app and provide you with your current account details and order you a debit MasterCard. Let us know if you require an overdraft and we'll process your application speedily. If you're not a member of our credit union, that's no problem. We can organise that for you at the same time as opening your account. Switch your current account to your credit union. If you are switching an existing current account to us, we'll organise that for you. We'll set up all your active standing orders on your new account, and we'll arrange with your old bank to contact your direct debit originators to advise them of your new current account details. Our Switcher Pack has all the information you will need. It's available to download on our website, or you can pick up a copy in our branch. You simply complete the switcher forms and we'll look after everything after that. We have a dedicated switching officer, and any member of our staff will be able to guide you through the process. Current Account from your credit union. Talk to us today to find out more.